Recently, Tar and Vats talk about the grainy/sandy screen issue of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Heads up, Galaxy S24 Ultra users. Reports are surfacing of a grainy/sandy screen issue, especially on dark colors. This seems widespread and isn't limited to a few users. Samsung updates haven't fixed it, and their solution of max brightness is a band-aid, not a fix. We deserve transparency, Samsung. What's causing this and how will it be resolved? Also be said, retweet to spread awareness and share your experience if you're affected. Not just this. My Dayback Cafe also talk about on this matter. Many users on various social networks complained about grainy displays on their S24 Ultras. While I agree this is an annoying issue and people paying so much money for their device should get a perfect product, I can also show some leniency to a very new product that was just launched on the market. Also, instead of crying and bitching about, I decided to document myself about possible causes and possible explanations. I'm waiting still for my Galaxy S24 Ultra pre-ordered on 17th of January. I am so eager to get it and check for myself the display. Unfortunately, my retailers still can't give me a definitive delivery date. Meanwhile, I have visited some physical stores in my city and asked the guys in there to do the test. All of them had the graininess at various degrees, with some closer to no grain and all than others. The phone's cooked up in the power outlet on display, staying all day and playing demo mode movies and whatnot, or tested by customers had the least amount of grain. It seems to be related to the usage. These panels are extremely new and it looks like they can get better in time. I will explain how, or at least try, based on different scientific papers I've read and various explanations I've heard recently. So let's go with it. OLED displays can get better in time, and the reason this might happen can be a combination of factors. Pixel aging and self-healing. OLED pixels are made of organic compounds that emit light when an electric current passes through them. Over time, these organic materials can undergo subtle changes due to aging. Some OLED displays exhibit a phenomenon known as self-healing, where minor inconsistencies or graininess can improve with usage. As the display is used, the organic layers may stabilize, leading to a reduction in visible graininess. Dynamic pixel behavior. OLED pixels are not static. They respond dynamically to varying voltages. Regular usage involves displaying a variety of content which can help distribute wear more evenly across pixels. As pixels are activated and deactivated during normal phone usage, their behavior may gradually improve. Subpixel arrangement and noise reduction. Samsung Galaxy S24 series likely uses a pentile subpixel arrangement, diamond-shaped arrangement of red, green, and blue subpixels. This arrangement can sometimes result in visible graininess, especially at lower brightness levels. With usage, the subpixels may settle into a more uniform state, reducing the appearance of graininess. Of course, there's also the user perception and adaptation, as our perception of display quality can change over time while we become accustomed to the display characteristics, making minor imperfections less noticeable. Additionally, our eyes tend to adapt to visual stimuli, which could contribute to the perceived improvement. In the end, I wish that everyone receives perfect quality for their hard-earned money. But, as we all know already, any electronic product launch has issues. We have to endure through them and hope for the better. Everything I've wrote above are my personal observations and documentation in the past 2 weeks, reading tons of paperwork and research papers on the OLED technology, coupled with reports from people saying their devices' display got less graininess as they use them. I will be watching this subject and keep in touch with some of the reporters on Reddit to see if after even more time it will get even better. In summary, while some users have experienced graininess issues with the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra display, there are reasons to be hopeful for improvement over time. Factors like pixel aging, dynamic pixel behavior, and user adaptation may contribute to a better viewing experience. Despite initial challenges, continued monitoring and engagement with user feedback are key to ensuring a satisfactory outcome for consumers. Are you facing this issue on your new Galaxy S24 Ultra? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.